I have one business, right? New Green Landscaping. Right now, I have around $5,000 every month, 30 clients, or biweekly, and some of them are weekly. I live in Houston. I just want to know what is the best thing you can do with cash during a recession? Because I've heard a lot of people say cash is king during that time. So I want to know what is the best, I guess you can say, investment to make with $100,000 cash during that time.
100,000.
By the way, this is not my money. Yeah, 100,000. Like, this is not my money. This is my family's money. They've been saving for a while, and I guess they've been waiting for this. And I heard you say that one of the best times to make wealth is during a recession when everybody is panicking.
Do you own a house right now?
No. I guess that's the thing. We live in a trailer park. The trailer is ours. We're only renting the trailer area or where the trailer is staying. That's the only place.
What's really cool about trailer parks during a recession is the value of the trailers actually usually go up because people are trying to downsize and move into them. Rent goes up and because people can't afford the housing. And typically trailer parks do really well during a recession. This would be my personalized advice because this is not for everyone, but based upon your scenario, having $100,000 of your family's money, you do not want to put at risk. Put $50,000 of that aside for the business. Okay. That $50,000 should be able to get the business from $5,000 to $6,000 a month to at least $30,000 to $40,000 a month because you're going to need a second truck. You're going to need a couple employees. You're going to need a little bit of marketing, maybe a website, get a logo made, things like that. But that business can absolutely get to $30,000 to $40,000 a month in revenue, which is going to be a massive asset to your family in the long term because that will produce cash flow.
That's right.
Massively. At your size, it would not be wise to spend $100,000 over the next couple of years on your business. I would recommend 50 max because that's going to get you a truck or two. It's going to, I'd say a truck, a trailer, a little bit more equipment, probably a storage space. The next 50, I want you to go buy a house. And that's going to be something that you can long-term build wealth with and build equity in so that as the recession comes out, that's where you'll be able to build equity in. And then that equity is something that long-term you'll be able to leverage to build long-term wealth for your family. And so I would not buy now. Now is a horrible time to buy real estate. But if in 6 to 12 months, as things start to crash, if you have that $50,000 ready to deploy, it'll buy what right now is probably $150,000 worth of buying power because eventually interest rates will come back down. They will 100%. And so if you're able to right now get all of your ducks in a row in terms of finances and get a pre-approval letter for financing, go to talk to an FHA mortgage lender, get everything ready to be able to buy a house. Don't buy one, but be ready to buy it so that when it goes to rock bottom, you're ready to pounce. And then secondarily, I would really focus on growing the business because that's going to be the thing that can 10x over the next few years versus a house that will double or triple as we come out of a recession. But we're talking about doubling and tripling in 10 years versus your business can produce 10, 15,000 a month in profit if you do it right. And that can literally happen in the next few years.